So yeah, that's the end of the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Really happy that Samsung sent me this for free. And I'm going to send it to one of you guys for free. If you're interested in winning, let me know down below. We'll see what we can do. Comment, like, share, subscribe, all of that. And we out. Peace. Oh, what? You guys really thought it was the end of the video? Yo people, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy. Hope you're all blessed. We thank God for another day. Let's get straight into the video, my people. So, guys, your boy just got a free package from Samsung. Free thing. You know what I'm saying? We don't play around there. Well, it was kind of free. Technically, it was free, but it wasn't free, but it was free. Does that even make sense? Technically, it was free, but it wasn't free, but it was kind of free, but it was free. Anyway guys, your boy got a free package from Samsung and I thought, let me unbox it with you lot so you guys can see what I got. And also, I might, if I'm feeling generous, I might give it away, you know? I might give it away, but we'll get into all of that later, you feel me? Let's go. So as you can see people, here's the package unopened. So Samsung sent your boy a free laptop. So you're probably wondering, bro, how did you get a free laptop? I want a free laptop as well. So basically, some of you that will know, my phone broke, had to buy a new phone. So I got a brand new phone and I can't talk. So as I was saying, I brought a brand new phone, S22 Ultra, and Samsung were running a little promo at the time whereby when you buy one of their brand new models, so S22 Ultra, I think it's called the Z Flip, Fold, whatever, you actually get a brand new Chromebook for free of charge. And it came in pretty decent time. It came within 3 weeks, which is decent. So yeah, guys, that's how I got a free laptop. I'm not sure if the promo's even running. It probably isn't running because I think they said end of January, so it's done. Yeah, don't try to go on the Samsung website and try to get a laptop. You ain't gonna get one. I don't know too much about the Chromebook 4. When I was reading online, it was quite mixed. Some were saying that, you know, this new generation is really, really good. Other people just like, still has a little bit of problems. But I guess the whole ethos of the Chromebook, I believe that the whole ethos of the Chromebook is that it's supposed to be super lightweight and that you're able to carry it in your hand essentially, in your backpack and not even feel it, all that kind of stuff. So you know a laptop is supposed to be like that, but you know like laptops can be heavy. So the Chromebook is supposed to be even another step beyond that apparently. But to be fair, now that I'm feeling it, it feels pretty light. I can't lie. If this was in my bag, I don't really feel like I'll feel that much, and obviously this is inside the box and whatnot. But just to inform you of some of the specifications of the Chromebook, it operates on Chrome OS, so I'm assuming that's like, you know, top tier software. I don't really know. Also, processor/chipset is an Intel Celeron processor. Graphics card is an Intel UHD Graphics 600. Display is 16.6 inches, which is HD, and memory/storage is 4 gigs plus 32 gigs respectively. I think this color is Platinum Titan or something like that. I believe the Chromebook only comes in one color. I could be wrong. I don't really know. Anyway, let's unbox this, man. Let's just stop wasting time and unbox it. You know what? I think what I might do a POV. So I might mount the GoPro to my head so then you guys can see like a bird's eye view of me unboxing the GoPro. Yeah? Sound like a good what do you call it? A good, yeah, let me just do that. All right, people. Unboxing this. And as you can see, it says Samsung, Chromebook there. Yeah, man. Let's go with the unboxing. Guys, this feels so weird. Like the way that my neck is bent right now. So, what this is. Also, as you can see, you got a quick startup guide. Hopefully you guys can see that. Warranty information. So, put that to one side. Nothing else in there. guessing this is just a charger of some sort, maybe. USB Type-C cable, so that's cool. Oh, we got a plug. That's amazing. The reason why I say it's amazing is because my phone only came with a cable. It doesn't come with a plug at all. So the fact that the laptop comes with a plug, I love that. And it's a fast charging one, as you can see. It has the little lightning bolt. So yeah. Just move this like that. You can see this is the Chromebook, guys. As you can see, it's really small. And it is pretty light, super lightweight. So it comes this nice little packaging. And bam, there you go, Samsung Chrome. That is the Chromebook, people. Hope you guys can see it. Open it up. Yeah, guys, so it's pretty small, to be fair. It's not big at all. And there's no screws. There's actually no screws, because you know, usually on laptops you have maybe like screws around here or somewhere, but this actually has no screws, which is cool. This is a nice finish as well. So yeah, guys, that's it really, man. That's the Chromebook. Obviously you got a webcam, Intel, so I think that's the graphics card. I don't know, guys. I don't even know what I'm talking about at this point. I'm just trying to sound like a geek. The keys feel super nice. Obviously I have big fingers as well, so yeah, nah, this is good. Yeah, I like it. Bam, so this is it, the Chromebook 4. I'm not gonna lie, the design's not the best. It's just a bit dated, isn't it? It's not like, oh my gosh. But I mean, for free, I'm not complaining. And like I said, it's super lightweight. You know, just carry it like this. You know, balance it on my head. One time. Okay, let me stop playing. I can't lie, the best thing for me is that it comes with a plug, because that's a rarity these days, you know, from a lot of these phone companies. So let's just switch it on just to make sure that it works, because guys, it's not coming on, you know. Yeah, I need to charge it up. Slapping a charger one time. Oh, we're active. So the battery's probably dead. But yeah, guys, as you can see it there. Welcome to Chromebook. So the laptop comes on. Yeah, so this is probably just to set up all your preferences and all that kind of stuff. Do you know what, guys? I wouldn't go out my way to buy a Chromebook. I'm not sure how much they cost. I believe they're probably between the range of £250 to 300 and something. But getting one for free, I mean, I'm not complaining. You know, it's nice, it's small. It seems like it has pretty good build quality. Ooh, I can't even speak. It seems like it has pretty good build quality. So, you know, and like I said, the keys, they feel good. So, yeah, for free, I don't mind. Would I go out my way to buy one? Definitely not. Bam, turn off. So I'm gonna let this bad boy charge. Hey guys, I can't lie, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I don't know too much about the Chromebook, so if you's coming here to hear all the specifications, I'm the wrong person, you know. Samsung just said, hey fam, buy a phone and give you a free thing. So I said, why not? Got the free thing, you feel me? So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. However, because I'm generous, because I'm nice, yeah, I've decided I'll give this Chromebook away to one of you guys for free. Let me know down in the comments if you guys will want to win a Chromebook, and I'll do a giveaway. All you guys will have to do is probably subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, something like that, and bam, it's yours. I'll pay for postage, all of that. As you can see, it's brand new, it's in working order. Let me know down in the comments if you guys want to win a Chromebook, and then we'll see what we can do, you know? But yeah, I think I enjoyed this one. It was short and sweet. It wasn't, you know, too much wahala, too much talking. I think I already drank water like once or twice. Let me drink water again, actually. You know, you gotta stay hydrated in that. So yeah, guys, it's a wrap. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. All of that. And like I said, get in the comments. Chromebook can be yours. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I put all the, you know, the plug, the chargers. Obviously, you need everything for the laptop to work. But yeah, guys, make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, and all that rare tear. You boys gone.